Hey everyone, welcome back to If You're New Here, my name's Your Name, and today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the 2026 Honda CT125. Now, if you're a fan of adventure bikes, scramblers, or simply Honda motorcycles in general, this one's for you. We'll dive deep into the specs, design, and performance of this incredible bike, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether this is the bike for your next adventure, or if it's just one of those machines that leaves you dreaming of the open road. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our future videos. The Honda CT125 is not a new name for some of you, but in 2026, Honda has refined this legendary bike and brought it to a whole new level. A modern take on a classic design, the CT125 combines the ruggedness of a trail bike with the convenience and fun of a small-capacity motorcycle. This bike was made to conquer a variety of terrains, from city streets to dirt trails, and it continues to carry the DNA of its predecessors, especially the iconic Honda Trail 90 and the 110. The CT125 debuted as a Hunter Cub in 2020, and quickly became a favorite of off-road enthusiasts, commuters, and those looking for an affordable and reliable two-wheeled companion for everyday adventures. But for 2026, Honda has gone above and beyond with upgrades that push this already fantastic bike even further. Let's start with the design because, honestly, the CT125 has an unmistakable charm. Honda has kept the classic styling that made the original CT bikes so beloved, but with a few modern tweaks that enhance both function and aesthetics. First, we have that familiar retro-inspired design, with bold, chunky lines, the signature round headlight, and a purposeful stance that screams adventure. The bike's stance is upright and relaxed, making it a breeze to handle in tight spaces and tricky conditions. This makes it perfect for both urban and rural environments. In 2026, Honda has added a few touches to the bike's design that further increase its rugged appeal. The frame is reinforced to handle tough conditions, and the front fender has been slightly redesigned to improve mud clearance. The rear fender has also been updated for better protection against debris when you're out on the trails. For the 2026 model, Honda has introduced a few new color options, including more earthy tones that align with the bike's off-road capabilities. Whether you're looking at a matte finish or a high-gloss option, the colors are muted, helping the bike blend into natural surroundings while still making a statement. Now let's talk about what really matters, the performance. Honda has retained the 124cc single-cylinder engine for 2026, and while this engine might not set any speed records, it is reliable, efficient, and provides just the right amount of power for this kind of bike. This air-cooled engine delivers around 9.5 horsepower, which doesn't sound like much, but it's more than enough for the kind of riding the CT125 excels at. Whether you're tackling tight trails, navigating through muddy tracks, or cruising around town, the CT125 offers smooth power delivery and enough torque to get you out of tricky situations. Honda has also made tweaks to the fuel system, improving throttle response and enhancing fuel efficiency. Expect better fuel economy in 2026, with the bike capable of achieving around 100 to 120 miles per gallon, depending on the riding conditions. That's a huge plus if you're planning on long rides, or using the CT125 as your daily commuter. In addition, the CT125 continues to feature an electric start, making it easy to get going in all weather conditions, and a 5-speed gearbox ensures smooth shifting, allowing you to comfortably manage any terrain. Suspension is an important factor on any adventure bike, and Honda really nailed it with the CT125. The front features telescopic forks with 3.9 inches of travel, offering great comfort and control when tackling rough terrain. The rear suspension uses twin shock absorbers with adjustable preload, which helps keep things stable and responsive, whether you're riding over rocks or navigating a bumpy trail. One of the standout features of the 2026 CT125 is how well it handles. With a relatively low seat height of around 31 inches, the bike is extremely manageable for riders of all sizes. The narrow design of the bike means it's light on its feet, and the wide handlebars give you excellent control. Whether you're zipping through tight spaces or taking sharp turns on dirt roads, the CT125 offers an enjoyable and smooth ride. Honda has made sure the CT125 is equipped with the right tires to handle off-road conditions. The 17-inch wheels at both the front and rear are shod with knobby tires, designed for maximum grip on dirt, gravel, and other rough surfaces. These tires do an excellent job of keeping you in control, even in slippery conditions. The tread pattern is designed to offer optimal traction, especially when you need it most, whether it's crossing through mud, sand, or rocky terrain. If you plan to take this bike on more urban roads or highways, you might want to consider upgrading the tires for better on-road performance. However, for the kind of adventure the CT125 is built for, these tires will get the job done. Now, let's move on to the tech. For 2026, the Honda CT125 features a number of upgrades that make the bike even more versatile. While this isn't a high-tech, fully electronic adventure bike, the CT125 does include some smart updates that make riding safer and more enjoyable. First off, Honda has included a fully digital instrument cluster. This allows you to see all the important information at a glance, from your speed and trip info to fuel level and engine temperature. It's a great addition, especially considering the bike's retro roots. While the design still stays true to the old-school appeal, the digital display provides modern convenience. The 2026 model also features LED lighting all around, including the headlights, turn signals, and taillights. Not only does this improve visibility in low light conditions, but it also ensures the bike looks sleek and modern while still maintaining that classic charm. Comfort is key when it comes to a bike you plan on taking on longer rides, and Honda has designed the CT125 with comfort in mind. The seat is narrow yet well padded, giving you a comfortable riding experience even on extended trips. The ergonomics are excellent for all types of riders, and the position of the handlebars and foot pegs offers a relaxed, upright riding posture. One of the nice touches on the 2026 model is the addition of improved grips, which make handling the bike even more comfortable, especially on longer journeys. Let's talk about the price, because for many riders, this is the most important factor. The 2026 Honda CT125 is expected to retail at around $4,300 and to $4,500 and in the US market. This is a very reasonable price for what you're getting, an incredibly versatile, reliable, and fun bike that can take you on all sorts of adventures, whether you're commuting or heading off the beaten path. In terms of availability, Honda is expected to have a good stock of the CT125 in 2026, so it should be relatively easy to find one at your local dealer. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Honda CT125? It's a fantastic motorcycle that strikes the perfect balance between classic design and modern upgrades. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter bike or an off-road adventure machine, the CT125 offers something for everyone. The 2026 model improves on an already winning formula, with upgrades to its engine, suspension, and overall ergonomics, all while keeping the price affordable. If you're a fan of retro motorcycles or just need something lightweight and tough for weekend adventures, the Honda CT125 is a solid choice. And if you haven't already, make sure you check it out at your local Honda dealership or through online listings to see how it might fit into your next adventure. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the 2026 Honda CT125. I hope you enjoyed the deep dive into this fantastic bike. If you found this video helpful or informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be interested in the CT125. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we've got plenty of more motorcycle reviews, tips, and adventures coming your way. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the 2026 Honda CT125. Do you think it's the perfect adventure bike, or is there something else on your radar? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.